What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the next portion of our Shopify series, and in this video we'll be covering the discount section within Shopify. So if you all don't know me by now, my name is Angelo from Cosmos Ink, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. That way you all will be notified every time I post new content. After you do that, be sure to join our Facebook group Sublimation Cove, where we cover the topic of sublimation. And last but not least, if you need sublimation ink or pigment ink for your business, we are the owners of Cosmos Ink. So just hit the link down below in the description. It'll take you to our website where you can get whatever you need, and we'll have it sent out to you ASAP. So as soon as you are signed into the back end of your pretty much brand new Shopify site, or should be brand new, you are going to come over down to discounts right here and select that. So you're gonna have two different types of discounts. You are going to have a discount code, and you're gonna have what's called an automatic discount. Discount codes are what people will type in during the checkout process, while automatic discounts are certain discount rules that you can put in place to where if they meet those certain conditions within that rule, a discount will automatically be applied, so they don't have to type in anything. So for discount codes, we're gonna go ahead and kind of make one. Let's see, what can we think of for a discount code? Actually, let's just do what they already have done right here. All right, which is spring sale 2021. So we have spring sale 2021, and for types you have four different types. You have a percentage discount, a fixed amount discount, one that will offer free shipping, which I don't advise, and I'll let you know why in a little bit, and then you have buy X get Y. All right. So for percentage, of course, you can be like, you know what, I want to discount it 20%, apply that to either all products, specific collections, and if we hit browse, we have the collections that we made earlier. So I can be like, you know what, I want to do a 20% discount just on drinkware and photo panels, or a 20% discount just on photo panel and not drinkware. And you can just check pretty much which ones you want to offer that discount to when they type in that discount code during the checkout process. Or you can do specific products. So we can do browse and be like, you know what, I want to do a discount for this one right here, the 10 by 10, and for what else? This one, the 6 by 6, just for that variant of that product, and you know, so on and so forth. So you can either check this box right here and it'll select all the variants within that product, or you can just select each individual variant that you want that code to apply to if they, you know, check out with that particular item. All right, so after that, you have minimum requirements. You can have, they have no minimum requirement. You can put a minimum purchase amount. So let's just say in order for them to get the 20% discount, they have to buy $100, you know, worth of items, or you have the minimum quantity of items. I've never did the minimum quantity of items. I think I've only ever done a minimum purchase amount, and you know, that was pretty much it for that. All right, so you can choose pretty much either one you want for that. After that, we'll go down to customer eligibility. You can have everyone. You can have a specific group of customers, and you can just type in their names, and their names should pop up right in here, or you can hit browse and you can be able to select either individual customers, or you can select certain groups of customers. So we can hit people who have abandoned checkouts and it'll add them to it, or email subscribers, you know, so on and so forth. So only those people who type it in, they'll get the discounts. And then specific customers, which is what, you know, I pretty much just said, it was underneath the wrong thing. This will be the one for specific customers. So you can type in that customer's name and it should pop up, or you can hit browse and you can select each individual customer within your customer list that you want to give this discount code to, and or they are able to use this discount code as long as they're signed in to their account. So that way it will know, hey, they're okay to use this discount code, but this other person may try to use it and be like, nah, you can't do that. All right. After that, we'll come down to usage limits. We have limit the number of times this discount code can be used in total, and you can also limit to 1 per customer. So for this first one, the limit number of times this discount can be used in total, that would be good for, let's say, pretty much like pandemonium situations, to be 100% honest. You can be like, okay, I want to limit this code to 100 people. And then you can send out an email, you can make a post on Facebook on your fan page, or, whatever method you use to reach out to your potential customers. You can use this as a marketing tool to pretty much be like, hey, the first 100 customers that come on our website, buy, this item and put in this promo code, you'll get a 20% discount on your order. So then people will look at it and be like, oh man, it's only 100 people or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and do it now. Or, you can change it to 50, 25, how many ever that you want to change it to, you can be able to do that. But that is a very good marketing tactic to get traffic to your website, which of course is going to be read by your Facebook pixel. So that's always good. And then on top of that, it'll get sales to start, rolling in, because you have a limited amount and you verbalize that. So now people are taking that as face value, and that's the action that they're going to take. It is a call to action. Underneath that, you have active dates. So you have a start date and a start time, and then you select this, you can have an end date and an end time. So this is good as well if you're going to be running, this promo code or this discount code only for a specified amount of time. So that way you don't have to come back in here and automatically start it up and or automatically stop it. You have it all, down in the system. So the system itself will know, okay, when this starts and when it's over, it's over. So once you have all that done, you can click right here, save discount code, and it'll automatically save. All right. And that is it for this particular code. So we can, this particular discount. So we can hit discard, and discard. And then we can come right here to automatic discounts. And once again, automatic discounts are discounts that will be applied automatically without anybody having to enter in any type of code. So you hit create automatic code, and then you can name this code. So like I was saying earlier, this is where I want to put in my Black Friday information. So I can say Black Friday 2021, or better yet, Cyber Monday, because we're only doing stuff online. So we can do Cyber Monday 2021, which either one you want to do, that's fine. If it works for you, it works for you. All right. So come down to types. You can do percentage, which is what, we pretty much did earlier. You can do a fixed amount, which will be, you be like, hey, automatic $20 off, or automatic, $10 off, or you can do buy X and get buy X, get Y. All right. So for us, I normally do a percentage. Let's say I do my normal 33% off. I'll come down to applies to, same thing. You can do all products. You can click on specific collections and check which collections you want this this discount to apply to, and then you can come down to specific products and hit browse, and you can select the entire product like before, or you can select each variant within a different product. But for us, I normally do all products, since Cyber Monday or Black Friday, or just that Cyber Monday, Black Friday weekend, stuff is going insane. So people be doing the biggest discounts out of the whole year during that time frame. So I just do it as all products. Once again, I never for minimum requirements for Cyber Monday and Black Friday, I normally don't have a minimum, but if you want to put a minimum in there, you definitely can. Just like before on the last post, I can set this to $100. I can set this to $25. I can set this to $5. All right. It just depends on how you want to set it up. Active dates. This is how I get so far ahead of the curve on that. All right. And I never forget about it. Even if I forget to post about it, the system itself won't forget about it because I set it up so far ahead of time. So for now, I can go all the way right now to, let's see, November 2021. Thanksgiving is always the last Thursday of the month, and Black Friday is always the day after Thanksgiving, which will put it on the 26th, and Cyber Monday will be the Monday after Black Friday or the Monday following Thanksgiving, which is going to be right here, which puts us on the 29th. And then the start time, let's say I want to start it at, I don't know, let's say 8 o'clock a.m. All right, 8 o'clock a.m. and that is for Eastern Standard Time. Then I can click right here to set end date, and I can end it on Tuesday. Actually, yeah, we can set it Tuesday, and we can set it, I want it to end at 12 o'clock a.m. So it starts on Cyber Monday on the 29th at 8 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it ends at midnight, all right, Eastern Standard Time. Or I can cater it more so towards people that are in the Pacific Coast. All right. So I can put I can just change this from 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. But either way it goes, even if I was to set this back to 12 a.m., if they're on the Pacific Coast, theirs don't start at 8 o'clock a.m. It will start at 5 a.m. for them. So the same amount of time, whether, whatever time zone you're in, the amount of time that it is available is the same amount of time it is available for everyone. So if it's available for 8 hours, it don't matter if it's going from Eastern Standard Time Zone to Central Time Zone to Pacific to India to Abu Dhabi to wherever. The amount of time that it is available is the same. However, the actual time, like the actual number of time that it's available from, like in between certain hours, that will change based upon their time zone. But if I want to be nice, I just click here, go down to 3 a.m. Okay, they're good. They know it'll end, 12 o'clock a.m. their time. So once I have all this done, I can click on save discount and everything will save. All right, it says error. There is one error with the discount. Minimum purchase can't be blank. So for the minimum purchase, I'm gonna put $0. Hit save, and it say, oh, it gotta be greater than 0. So I'll just put 1 cent. Hit save, and there we go. All right. So now that we have that saved, we can come up here to this back button, click that, and there you go. You have a discount right there. All right. So that is how you set up your automatic discounts and your discount codes. And it says right here, it's scheduled. None of them have been used yet. And it's scheduled for November 29th through November 30th. And I can click on it just to double check it, come down at the bottom and say, yep, it's going on Cyber Monday, which is November 29th at 8 a.m. And it's ending the very next day at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 12 midnight Pacific Time. All right. So that pretty much sums everything up for how to set up a discount code within Shopify. Once again, my name is Angelo. Make sure you all subscribe down below to my channel. After you do that, be sure to join our Facebook group Sublimation Cove, where we cover the topic of sublimation. And once you do both of those things and you need sublimation ink or pigment ink for your business, be sure to hit that link down below and we'll get it sent out to you ASAP directly from Cosmos Ink. So that wraps up everything. I will see you all in the very next video. Angelo out.